since 2016 to 2018, it was in a huge bulk. Like in 2016, there were 3,000 road accidents, so now there are 10,000. So they are increasing day by day. In 2015, when my school senior met with an accident, he was the only child in his family, and day after tomorrow, from that day only, her sister was have to go to marriage or something like that. So he laid on the road for 9 minutes and nobody cared about him. So I planned for an application known as Serving Humanity with Technology, so that I can contribute some part of myself to those road accidents. When I entered the gates of Chandigarh University, I had a passion of opening my own dreams. I had a passion to come up as the next billionaire from India. Wanted to be the biggest industrialist. So biggest industrialist is we call as entrepreneur. So Serving Humanity with Technology was not being my choice of dream for entrepreneur, because the Serving Humanity with Technology is something I serve for the humanity even if it costs me. So I am not aiming my application to be of paid services or getting the business out of it, but I am aiming it to do it for the humanity.
जैसे पहली बार हम मिले थे वाइल हम इफेक्टस को प्रमोट कर रहे थे। इफेक्टस हमारे यहाँ पे एक स्टार्टअप समिट होता है, और इसी इवेंट के दौरान मैं इससे मिला, इसके बारे में जाना कि इसका स्टार्टअप क्या है, इसका ड्रीम क्या है, इसकी थिंकिंग क्या है। तो जान के काफ़ी हैरानी हुई कि इतनी छोटी एज में इतना ज़्यादा फोकस, इतना ज़्यादा इसे पता था कि इसने कहाँ जाना है। तो वो सब कुछ देख के मुझे बहुत इसे ट्रेन करने का इसे जी किया कि इसे क्यों ना हम सपोर्ट करें, और जितना मुझसे हो सकता है मैं उसे सपोर्ट करूं।
For me, the success mantra has always been different paths, but now it has been concluded to a book known as The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. So this book has motivated me in such ways that I have made my own dream book, and the steps to success has been there by me. So Chandigarh University opens the door to success for me. First thing is this, and I am very happy to be here, even if I had many of the universities in Delhi, but choosing Chandigarh University over them was an opening door for me, because the TBI, the Technology Business Incubator, helped me in many of these ways, such as bringing up my model of application to something which I have never thought of, bringing up of my model of an application to a product which can save many lives and can earn too.